When you first encounter Folded Rooms Garden by RAD+ar, what strikes you isn't just a house. It's a spatial gesture woven into its site. Nestled in a tight urban pocket of Bandung, Indonesia, this 600 square meter residence reimagines how a home can flow through space and landscape without the typical vertical walls that we're all used to in residential design. The architects approached this project with a bold question. What if a home wasn't segmented by walls, but instead shaped by a continuous plane that folds, bends, and guides movement? What evolved is a minimalist yet tectonic form where circulation, floors, ceilings, and even the roof are part of a single folded surface, a monolithic canvas that negotiates between solid structure and open void. As you approach the house, the threshold itself becomes cinematic. Rather than a clear front door, a suspended planter acts as a green curtain, filtering views and sound from the surrounding city. This living veil gently transforms your experience from the bustling outside world into something quieter, more contemplative. What elevates this project from a clever spatial experiment to something more impactful is its ecological sensibility. Approximately 70% of the site remains permeable green area, allowing rainwater to be harvested on site, a thoughtful response to the realities of tropical urban density. Once inside, the spatial narrative unfolds almost like a choreography of levels. On one side, an elevated plane hosts the communal areas, living, dining, and even a tatami-inspired bedroom, all drawing panoramic glimpses of the front garden and encouraging cross-ventilation. These spaces feel both expansive and intimately connected to nature. In contrast, the lower fold of the design houses private sleeping quarters that are intentionally sunken into the ground. These rooms open directly onto a private pool and semi-outdoor bathing area, embraced by a shaded bamboo grove that gives a sense of enclosure without distancing you from the outdoors. It's a tender play on privacy through vertical modulation instead of walls. Ultimately, Folded Rooms Garden isn't just about a unique form. It's an invitation to rethink what a house can be. By blurring the boundaries between inside and outside, public and private, it pushes us to imagine homes that are porous, responsive, and engaged with their environment. Lessons that resonate far beyond Bandung